This is one of our most popular baskets. This basket is perfect for displaying products in your factory or retail space. It has open sides, so it's lightweight and very visible. It's perfect for visible inventory checks in a lean manufacturing environment. The basket is chrome-plated plain steel 1010 grade. It has slanted elevations, so it's easy to see inside. The baskets are very tough. Look how solid it is. The cross-wire mesh is 0.1205 wire diameter, spaced every 1.375 by 1.375, so it's very strong. The frames are 1/4 inch thick, so they can handle abuse in most harsh environments. Our baskets are in Boeing, Caterpillar, and Toyota plants. You deserve this quality. This basket is widely used with diverse applications in food establishments like Panera Bakery and retail establishments like Target and medical establishments in hundreds of variations for multiple Veteran Administration hospitals. We have these in stock and can ship today. We can even customize this basket for you if the sizes are not optimal. We can do this basket in stainless or plain steel. We can electropolish the stainless steel. We can also nickel or chrome plate, Teflon, nylon, or plastic coat your basket. We can coat this basket any color, though black is our most common color. And check this out. We can even coat it with an antimicrobial coating for infection control. And this will halt MRSA in its tracks. We love customizing, and if you do want to customize, we're fast. We typically ship raw baskets in 1 week. If you need coating, we typically ship it in 2 or 3 weeks. If you need it faster, just let us know. Established in 1968, Marlin Steel Wire has been featured in Fortune, Popular Mechanics, and the Washington Post. In the last several months, we have exported our baskets and hooks to Canada, Mexico, the UK, Belgium, Japan, New Zealand, and my favorite, Taiwan. How cool is that? We specialize in shipping fast, high-quality products. We have thousands of baskets and hooks in stock, but love customizing for your needs. We make everything here in the USA, all great quality. Please send us an email today or call, and we will quote you ASAP.